Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset iPhone camera settings. So this include iPhone 15, iPhone 16, iPhone 13, iPhone 14. While resetting your iPhone camera settings, this will still not reset your iPhone to factory settings, but it resets the iPhone settings to default, including your iPhone camera settings without deleting any data on your phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to reset iPhone camera settings, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general. Scroll down the general page, locate and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Then here, locate reset and click on it. Now, to reset your iPhone camera settings, click on reset all settings. This resets your network settings, dictionary, and all other settings including iPhone camera settings. Then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Once you type in your iPhone passcode, read this and make sure you understand what you're about to do. This will reset all settings on your Apple Pay cards, keys, and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. This will not erase any media or data contacts on your phone, but this will reset all settings including the camera settings. Now go ahead and click on reset all settings, follow the prompt to complete the process, and once your iPhone restarted, then go ahead and open your iPhone camera. You should be able to open the iPhone camera and the camera will be reset. So that's exactly how to reset iPhone camera settings. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.